Hi everyone. If you want to see how I made this glam vase, stay tuned and watch. Welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we're going to be making that glam vase that you saw at the beginning of the video in black and white with items that I mostly purchased from the Dollar Tree. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. So let's jump into the video. So now after all the paint is applied, we're going to go ahead and move on to the glitter because I am applying glitter, black glitter on the black paint, white glitter iridescent on the white paint. We're going to do this process twice and then we're going to seal that in with Mod Podge. So in case you're wondering why I painted the vase and then now I'm applying the glitter and then I'm applying the glitter again, what it is that I don't like to see through the vase, and so what I do is I give it just one coat of paint. Normally one coat of the glitter is enough. This time I went 2 coats on each color. So, and then I go ahead and seal it at the end. That's just my preference. You don't have to do that. Remember that when applying these layers, whether it be Mod Podge, paint, glitter, you let everything dry completely before moving on. Also, I'm going to be linking below this permanent adhesive that I've been using that's been working fabulous for me. It's permanent. It's also a sealant and it does not fog the gems. So I'm really happy with it and it'll be linked below. want to apologize real quick for the lighting change. My table is situated near my slider door, and so the sun comes in and out. That's what the lighting change is about. This is what the vase is looking like so far, and I am using that bling chain that I purchased from BB Crafts. So here I'm using the permanent adhesive around the circular part of that bottom piece, and then in the very center I'm just going to put some hot glue so that we have the instant stick. Remember that any adhesive, you want to be in a ventilated area, and you also want to allow it to cure for 24 hours. So I think this vase came out absolutely fabulous. It is so glam and it fits in any area of your home. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Now here is the reveal.